I'll quickly do a very short, which is I'm supposed to do. One of the most grooviest dance form in India. One is Bhangra, one is Bihu, which is again from Assam. So I'll just quickly take you through Bihu. So if you come to Assam, it's April when it's Bihu, which is the New Year. Also there's Bishu in Kerala, Boisak in Bengal, and Baisakhi in Punjab. So it's New Year. It's an amazing time in Assam, and we're waiting for the rains to come. The girls are, really beautiful moves, trying to impress the boys. Boys are impressing the girls with the drums. So this is how it goes. It's really crazy. I'll take you through it. It's a really funky, swingy dance, so I'll maybe just show you a bit. So this is how it goes. Make some noise! It's April, Bihu! Oh yeah, Billy Bihu di Romoke, Zomoke. Oh, na ho pupuli bodo. When na flogu ne bala ho edote nai. Gosogo bhangi zazoto. So this is how the boys dance. I don't know why. The girls dance like this. I don't know why. But it's lovely. You have to I wish you could have Assamese dances here. This is how it goes. Bagu 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 sontok muri hani mazuri ki manda. Bagu 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 sontok muri hani mazuri ki manda. Oyi palene sabi palene sabi mazore na sita. Na sunu lagi bo na sunu lagi bo bag. Bagu 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 bo. Na sunu lagi bo na sunu lagi bo bag. So once Katrina came to Guwahati, I made you dance to Bihu, remember? It was lovely. People still talk about it. Okay, so guys, so this is how you clap in Bihu. If you want to, please come together. Clap. And Bihu is not 1-1. It's 1-2-1-2. 1-2-1-2. 1-2-1-2. 1-2. Come guys, get there. All right, so a quick thing, it's called Jujona. The guy is saying that my house is this side of the river, your house is that side of the river, and in between is the river. So you have to say hoy. It's so intelligent, see? So you have to say hoy. Hoy means yes in Assamese, hoy. Be as loud as you can. Smriti, you can say hoy, right? All right. You can be louder. See, if I was a bird, I'll fly to you. It's alright, who I hole. It's alright, who I hole. We go to the Baki, no more. Go to Canada, border. Oh, Killy, bring it out. Go on the go to Canada, border. Oh, Killy, bring it out. Go to Canada, border. Oh, Killy, bring it out. Okay, one last time. Amazing you guys are. Januza, apni paribo. Koi do. Amugai patuga kipan mazade bodi noi. Kiran, amugai patuga kipan mazade bodi noi. Salman bhai is louder than Kiran. Kya more? It's alright, hua hole. It's alright, hua hole. We go to the Bagilo money. Go to the Thank you. Thanks a lot. Really an honor to be part of this festival. Thank you so much for making us here and being here. Thank you. Have a great evening. Thank you so much.
Huge round of applause for Papon. What a wonderful performance. Thank you so much.